Hey guys, it's Shannon. So I'm making a pretty big change, and that is moving my woodworking workshop from the garage down into the basement. So we have been doing quite a bit of renovating down there, and so much so that I wanted to break it down into different episodes so I could bring you guys along and see the process of how we're turning a old cellar basement into a workshop for me. So it's gonna kind of have my own personal style on it, and we are tearing things out, putting in brand new things, and kind of adapting what's down there to work. So let me show you what we have started with and where we are now. And then make sure you hit subscribe too, because I will be bringing you along so that you can see the whole process from start to finish. So here's a look at the before of the basement, basically of how it was right before we got started. It is a 10-foot by 12-foot space. So I'm gonna have to get a little bit creative with my storage and workspace, but I am so excited to have a climate controlled and basically bug-free environment to work in year round. This is a look at the exit door to the outside, and we're actually going to have to do quite a bit of work on the other side of that door, the cellar entry, which you'll see in this picture of my son here. You can kind of see the stairs, and we need to do some work out there to keep the basement watertight. So of course, a couple trips to the hardware store. We're actually up to 3 trips now if you want to keep count. So the very first thing we did was install LED strip lights on the ceiling to provide lots more light down there for when we were working, and as you can see, it made a huge difference. Next, we framed up the wall that will be covering those stairs, and also built in a door frame for access into the other side of the basement. I also finally got a chance to try out this awesome framing nail gun. Here's another look at that framed out wall, as well as a close-up of the door frame. Next was the fun part of taking out the old drywall. And of course, with any good demo, there are surprises behind walls, and this one we had to do some work to before we could actually get started building and prepping this wall for new drywall. For the bottom of this wall, I wanted some great aged galvanized metal, so I have a tutorial coming up on how I turn some new metal into some old rustic looking metal. So here's a quick look at the wall with the metal installed on the bottom. So here's a look at some before and afters, or afters to the point of where we are right now, so you can see what has been accomplished. We still have lots to do and lots more great things coming up, so I hope you'll stick around to see our basement transformation. One other thing that we did was insulate the ceiling, which I don't have a picture of, but you can see the material we used in this photo. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are not following me over on social media, whether it's my Facebook page or my Instagram, head over there, which I will have linked down in the description box below, and you can follow along and kind of see in real time what is going on and get some behind the scenes before I throw it up here, right here on YouTube. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials right here on my YouTube channel every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit that bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.